Hello guys, good afternoon. It's my free day today. There's no work. So nakita ako ng aming driver na naglalakad. So sinakay na ako at hinati dito sa Teracity Mall here in Antalya, Turkey. So ayan, ang ganda po ng weather. Hindi ganun kainit at hindi rin ganun kalamig. So ayan, 10 a.m. po yung bukas ng mall. So let's get inside. Ayan, nagpapalit po ako ng cash dahil I don't have money to buy something here. So, let's take breakfast first. Ayan, bumili po ako ng cappuccino coffee and I'm not sure what's this. Is it burek? Basta makain. So, ayan, nag-explore po ako dito sa may damitan dahil first salary natin today. Ayan, nagsukat na rin ako ng shoes dahil wala na akong matinong shoes na gagamitin. So, ayan lang. Have a good day and thank you for watching.